Hello everyone, welcome back to our Power BI channel. Here we are covering DAX functions in this series. In the previous tutorials guys, we have studied some math and trig DAX functions. And now in today's class, we will also learn more about some math and trig DAX functions. So let's start the class guys. And here are the topics which we are going to cover in today's class. So let's start with this cos DAX function. So these all are trigonometric functions guys. You have definitely heard about in plus 2. And under this part guys, I have covered all the trigonometric function. And from next class guys, we will learn some more useful function of math and trig category. Generally, these functions are not very much useful in Power BI reports. But here we are covering each and every DAX functions. So that's why I am explaining these DAX function. So let's go to Microsoft reference page and understand the definition first. So it returns the cosine of the given angle. And here is only one parameter which is number. And if you read the definition guys, require the angle in radians for which you want to the cosine. And now let me scroll it down and look at the examples here. So here under this example guys, we can see they have write only number which is 1.047. So we will take same example. So let's go to Power BI desktop. And this time guys, I have not taken any table. We will understand these function with the help of measure. So let's go to practical page. And now I will go here in new measure. And simply click on new measure. And let me edit this measure name as cos. And now I will write my measure name which is cos. And simply I will write the same number from here which is 1.047. And close the bracket and hit enter. So let me simply drag and drop it here and convert into card visual first. And you can also increase the decimal places. So I will enter 6 here. So here you can see the answer guys, and you can also match the result. So results are same. If you want to calculate the degree of this cosine function, so in this example here we can see guys, it calculate degree of 60. So let me copy this value and paste it here in DAX formula. So here we can see guys, our answer is 0.5000, and you can also match the result from here. So in this way guys, you can calculate degrees and also you can calculate radians. So you need to use this radians function under cos function. So I have already copied this and let me paste it here. So here is the same result guys. So in this way guys, you can use this cos DAX function. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is cos h. So again we will read the definition from here. So here we can see it returns the hyperbolic cosine of a number. So here h stands for hyperbolic. And again we have the same parameters which is number. So here in Power BI desktop guys, we don't need to focus on the formula. We just simply need to enter the number. So here they have taken 4. So let's go to the Power BI desktop, and this time I will take cos h. So let me copy this visual and paste it here. And now let me edit the formula. So I will take cos equal to, and now I will apply my DAX function which is cosh. And let's say our number is 4 and close the bracket. So here we can see guys, our result is same. So in this way guys, you can calculate hyperbolic cosine of a number. And now let's move towards the next DAX function of our today's class, which is cot DAX function. So let's understand cot and cot h. So go to the reference page and understand the definition first. Cotangent of an angle specified in the radians. And here is only one parameter which is number. So we will take the same example from here. So here they have taken cot 30 and the result would be minus 0.1561 and so on. So simply go here Power BI desktop and apply this cot DAX function. So let me copy this visual and paste it here. And now let me rename this measure. Let's say cot equal to, and now I will write my DAX function which is cot. And on Microsoft reference page they have taken number 30. So we have taken 30 here and close the bracket. So here we can see guys, our answer is minus 0.156. So let's match the result guys. So our answer is correct. So in this way guys, you can calculate cotangent of an angle. Now let's talk about cot h. So here we can see guys, it is a hyperbolic cotangent of hyperbolic angle. Only we have just one parameter, which is number. And if you look at the formula guys, it is very difficult to understand. So you don't need to go with this formula. Simply enter the number here. So here they have taken 2. So simply go here in Power BI desktop and copy and paste this visual. And let me rename this formula as cot h. And here I will take number 2 and close the bracket. So our answer is 1.0373, which is right. So in this way guys, you can calculate cot and cot h. And now let's move towards the next function of our today's class, which is sin and sin h. So quickly understand about this sin and sin h function. So it returns the sine of the given angle. And here we have just only one parameter. So simply go here guys and read the definition. So here you can read the parameter definition. It required the angle in the radians for which you want the sin. And here they have taken 4 ways to calculate sin dax function. So here in this example guys, we can see we have 4 ways to calculate sin dax function. So simply go to the Power BI desktop and apply this sin dax measure. So let me copy this visual and here I will edit this as sin. Let me rename this as sin. And now I will write my number, let's suppose 30, and close the bracket. So here is our answer guys. In this way we can calculate sin dax function. And if you want to calculate the pi radians, so you need to simply copy this value from here. So you need to add pi value here and hit enter. So here is the answer guys, which is 1.00, which is correct. And if you also want to calculate the degree or radians, you simply need to copy this value from here and paste it into Power BI desktop. I hope guys now you understood how we can calculate the sin of the given angle. And now let's understand this sin h. So here we can see guys, it is the hyperbolic sin of a number. And here is the formula guys. And now let's look at the example. So here they have taken 2.68. So let's go to Power BI desktop. So let me edit this dax function sin h. And here I will take the same value, which is 2.68, and close the bracket. And let me edit this as sin h and hit enter. So in this way guys, we can calculate this sin h dax function. And now let's move towards the next topic of our today's class, which is tan and tan h. So let's go to the reference page. So it returns the tangent of the given angle. And here is only just one parameter. And we will simply take this same value, which is 0.785. So let's go to Power BI desktop. And let me copy this visual and paste it here. And let me edit this formula from here. So I will use tan dax function and simply write the value which we have copied. And let me rename this as tan and hit enter. So here result is 1.00, which is almost near about 1. You can see here. And if you also want to calculate the degree or the radians, so you can apply this dax function. And now let's move towards the last topic of our today's class, which is tan h. So it's a hyperbolic tangent of a number. And here is the formula guys. And now let's look at the example. So it works both on negative as well as positive. So let's take both the example. So go to Power BI desktop and let me replace this formula as tan h. And here I will take first -2 and hit enter. So here we can see guys, our answer is 0.96, which is in minus. And now let's take this positive value. Let's suppose 0.5 and close the bracket. So here answer is 0.46, which is correct. So guys, with this class, I have covered all the trigonometric function in Power BI desktop. And from next class guys, we will study very useful function of math and trig. So stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And if anyone wants to learn free Power BI from scratch, so here we have this YouTube channel guys, which name is Power BI Full Course by Shubham. And under this 50 tutorials guys, I have explained each and every concept in detail. And those who are visit first time on this channel, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And for the job seekers guys, we have this Telegram group where I am keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening. And you will also find some latest interview questions and answers. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone for jobs and trainings. But if you still think you require paid training sessions guys, so guys, I am also providing one-on-one paid training sessions. And from day 1 class guys, I prepare for interviews round. So you guys can connect me on LinkedIn or Telegram channel. Both the links are given under the description box. You guys can directly connect me there. And for free learners guys, we have this YouTube channel. So keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Thank you so much.